Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus sign in the upper right corner and tap it to begin adding a new card. You'll then be guided through a simple process to scan your credit or debit card using your phone's camera. This makes adding your card details quick and easy, ensuring accuracy for your transactions. After scanning your card, your bank might need to verify your identity for security. You'll typically be given options such as receiving a text message or an email with a verification code. Select your preferred method, and once you receive the code, simply enter it into the Wallet app. This step ensures that only you can add your cards to Apple Pay, protecting your financial information. Once your card is verified, you're ready to use Apple Pay. To make a purchase, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Then, authenticate your payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Finally, hold the top of your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment reader. You'll see a check mark on your screen when the payment is complete. For even greater convenience, you can add multiple credit or debit cards to your Apple Pay wallet. You can also easily set a default card for your transactions within the Wallet app settings, saving you time at checkout. Remember, a fresh car makes every drive better. Check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy the ease and security of Apple Pay for all your purchases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.